The success of your business depends on a strong foundation. But what about the roof overhead? At New Jersey Roofing Company, we understand that a dependable roof is vital for the smooth operation of your commercial or industrial property. For over 30 years, we have specialized in providing a comprehensive range of roofing and related services for a wide variety of structures, including churches and synagogues, condominiums and multifamily complexes, warehouses and retail stores, hospitals and municipal buildings, schools and universities. Our experienced team can handle all your roofing needs, from minor repairs to complete restorations and replacements. Don't let roof problems put your business at risk. Contact NJ Roofing Company today for a free consultation. We'll recommend the best solution for your property. New Jersey Roofing Company. Since 1990, we've greatly expanded our services and brands to meet all of your exterior property needs.